Hi, today I'm going to be boxing Splinter Convention Limited Collector's Edition. I purchased this off of eBay for 20 bucks, approximately, cheap. This is the side, back, just what it includes, and then the other side. Yeah, let's get it open. Almost got it. Let's roll this out. First up, take out a steelbook. Almost got it. Things are pains in the butt. Tooth inside it. There's the game, and I think the soundtrack, maybe. I don't know. Here's some extras in the back. Yep. These two extras. And then next, is the statue. Yeah, I don't think I should really open this like yet. Well, there it just is, like the statue of Sam Fisher. It's basically the same thing without it open though. Just a quick unboxing video, basically. So if you pick this up, you'll be getting these. The DLCs. And just a manual. And also, I also have this. I'm like selling this. If anybody wants it, just send me a message. It's Star Wars: The Force Unleashed Ultimate Sith Edition. It's like pale for like United Kingdom. If you're still interested, just like let me know. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever.